Hi. So I thought it's a good opportunity, a good time to reintroduce myself briefly. And because I talk so much and I have ADHD and I get, sidetracked. So I wrote it down. I wrote my intro so that it can be small. So hi, I'm Asma. Welcome to my cozy corner of the internet, the Pinky Edit. This is a space for random thoughts and gentle goals and mindful living and soft faith, okay? And it's not about perfection or pressure. It's about slowing down, okay? Noticing the little things, being grateful for everything you have, being kinder to yourself and others, and not giving up. I don't believe in giving up. Never give up, okay? The power of yet, right? So please do join me because some days you'll find reflection, some days you'll find coffee fuel thoughts, some days you'll find my unfiltered fun opinions, and you will see my clothes and my lifestyle and all the crazy things I do and the games I play. And I will be sharing my everything about my life, like everything I mean, like my weight loss and my habits and how I unlearned and how I changed myself and the games I play now and the sports I go for, like rock climbing and pickleball, and how did I start all that. I started everything at 54 and I'm 58 now. So I feel if I can do it, anybody can. Okay? Anybody can do it. So, and this is going to be a fun place for you guys. And I promise you, you'll find positivity and honesty on this channel, okay? So if you are looking for chaotic fun, unfiltered vibes, gentle motivation, soft reminders, and focusing on the fact that everybody is important, everybody matters, and you can do things at your own pace. You're not in a rat race. That's why I never said, new year, new me. No, I'm going to continue on my journey of mindfulness and unlearning. And let's see where it takes me next year. So what you're going to find over here is new videos for soft living and real life, mindful goals over loud resolutions. Because we make so many resolutions, Hannah, and 1 week they're gone. Faith, reflection, and everyday thoughts. So I'll be very happy if you join me on this chaotic delulu channel. Please write your name and say hi down in the comments. And it would give me a lot of confidence and a lot of boost if you follow me for my crazy ride. Okay? Thank you so much, and wishing everybody a safe and blessed new year. And I hope next year brings safety and peace to the whole world. Bye.